Hello. Good morning, dear student. How are you? It's your Farooq sir, and today once again I am exploring or sharing my views for the student of honors final year. And the course name is here, Human Resource Management, and course code also mentioned 242105, and me the course tutor. And my topic is here. Then we'll discuss about the matter job analysis. It's very much important. Now we mentioned about the course and the topic is here job analysis. Okay, it's very much important in this course, and it is required for uphold the image of an institution. So far, job analysis is the main aspect for hiring the employees. Those are recruited as per the instruction, and also the employer will search this sort of employee according to the job analysis process. Well, this is another virtual class, and I mentioned in every classes that I'm delivering my pitch through the virtual platform in English for your inspiration, for your exposing smoothly or soundly to cope the situation. Now these days is modern era, and ICT based and corporate arena. Whenever you show your capability, efficiency, proficiency in English as well as in computer literacy, then you will be the lucrative employee for the employers. And job analysis also focus this sorts of ability for hiring or before hiring their employee. In fact, what do you mean by job analysis? Actually, a significant way of working that are information based and system analysis called job analysis. Job analysis actually focuses how type of employee should be required, how type of employers are demanding, and employer will disclose before hiring their employee. Actually, they disclose the capability, the efficiency, and the academic education. This is very much important. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. I am a teacher of your department, and I have been recruited here in specific subject. And before recruit me, the authority mentioned in the circular or advertisement that some teachers will be recruited in the college. Against the circular that on must or employee must have regarding the degree or academic education in the subject regarding teaching factor. So I have mentioned my qualities whenever I submitted my application. So job analysis clarify all the things, what type of teachers, what type of employee should be required, should be demanded, should be get opportunity, should be applied for the positions. In a sense, E.B. Filippo, one of the most popular social scientists, mentioned about the job analysis. Job analysis is the process of studying and collection information to the operation and responsibility. It's very much important thing. Operation and responsibility. Operation is that thing, how they will work, what is their responsibility also, and what is the procedure, what is the process of working. They will discuss before recruiting, like for the employer, and how type of way for recruitment them, like job analysis, focus, this sort of thing. Well, we already got this information, what is job analysis. Now we will discuss importance of job analysis. What is the demand, what is the necessity, what are the necessity, and what are the positive or obviously not drawbacks, sign of job analysis. First thing is here, procurement. It's important issue. What do you mean by procurement? Actually, procurement is that thing, how much employee you will recruit, how much employee the organization demand. This is the pre-thinking or pre-determination, how much employee will be recruited. This is the procurement. Procurement is important issue, obviously, for smooth running of the organization, and definitely job analysis will ensure, will focus this sorts of thing through the procurement. And second thing is important, recruitment. It's important, obviously important. Recruitment, every person is recruited in an agency or an institution as an employee, and it is the legal way or right way, and every institution or organization has a path or some rules and regulation how to recruit their employees. Like the government service, you are taking preparation, you are preparing yourself for seat, the BCS examination. BCS examination is the process of recruitment. Bangladesh Civil Service, Civil Service. This is the procedure. It is being conducted by the PSC. It is the constitutional organization and ruled by the government. So government has implemented some procedure, has imposed some rules and regulation how they will be recruited. There are different types of cadres. Some cadres are get a job from BCS, like foreign category, foreign affair, like some are police cadre, some are education cadre. So it's the way of recruitment. And job analysis ensure for recruitment which type of employee they requires. Wage and salary administration. Every institution has accounts, or actually accounts is on kind of accountability. What do you mean by accountability? But right now we will not discuss about the accountability. This is the wage and salary, accounts. Every institution or organization has accounts or HR, human resource department. They will some institution, some organization pay their salary or wages for their employees through the accounts, either accounts or human resource department. And before recruiting, they mention how much salary will be given to the employees. So wage and salary administration, they will check the salaries and they will give the increment, some extra facilities, some bonuses. If the what should I say, like employee fulfill the demand of the organization, definitely the administration will be impressed, will be satisfied, and they will give some extra facilities like increment and so-called thing, and so on. So wage and salary administration obviously is a different department of a organization, and they will promote these sorts of facilities to the employee. Now training. It's another important issue, training. Training is very, very important for ensuring or for enhancing quality of a employee. Actually, you guys, you are a student here, you are raw. Actually, you don't know how to manage the office, how to do work. Just you are involved in your education and you know how to computer operator or something like that. But you don't have knowledge how to manage the office and what are the role of a manager, what are the role of a officer or a member of a institution. So training will ensure, training will make sure the quality of a employee, how to deal with the customers, how to deal with other persons. So training reshuffle their quality, explore their quality, and make them potential, make them efficient to cope the situation. Sometimes institution or organization fail problem, and and also training will explore, will give more output. Some agencies conducted training for the betterment, for the more output from the employee. They conduct the training, and it enrich the quality of a employee. So it's very much important. Job analysis definitely ensure the training, and sometimes employee, when they do job in any situation and they demand some training outside of the institution, it may be overseas or in the country, and it's on kind of refreshment. And after getting the training from overseas or in country, outside the country, overseas or country, that is the fuel for exploring their more output, for exploring their more better service. So training is ensuring by the job analysis. However, job evaluation is very much important. What is the achievement? That is the thing you have assigned. Like I'm delivering the pitch before you student, and I'm saying something, and what is my quality, and you will evaluate. Like before starting the class, I already told you. Just I'm practicing. It's the operational thing that, and it's the primary thinking. I'm delivering the pitch in the before the student, because you are a student of honors final year, and after some days, after some period, you will go to the job market, and then you have to explore your knowledge in English, and just it's observation and job. That thing, you will receive my pitch smoothly or not. If you unable to receive my pitch, then I will go back my traditional way, like in Bengali version. Just you will evaluate it. It is convincible or congenial to you or not. I already mentioned previous classes. Obviously, you will convey the news, either me or your head of the department. It is a fruitful education to you or not. That is the evaluation. If you feedback through the phone or social media or physically convey the news to the principal or the head of the department or me that this is the tough procedure, tough module for us, not receive, we are unable to receive the pitch. This is the one kind of evaluation. Then I will think a different way. This is the job evaluation, and job analysis will make sure and will focus the matter. Job evaluation. And next one is promotion and transfer. Obviously, every person have an intention or inclination to be promoted for the better position. Every person is a naturally by born, either it's government office or non-government office, or you think in your classroom, like you are in classroom, everybody wants importance to his friends. That is a distinguished and significant, say, or different thing than others. So promotion is that thing. Like you guys are here, somebody or some employer recruited in same way, but one or two or three gets promotion for the better position. That is the one kind of inspiration or that thing promote him or explore his knowledge for the betterment of the or should I say, like build up the image. They will pay their more attention to build up their image. And transfer, if they do better, if they do well in that position or not, if they fail, they will be transferred from the situation, from the position. Like it will be positively or it will be negatively. If they perform well, they will get financially support, financially assistance, as well as a good promotion or transfer. And sometimes some employee in a organization do not serve well, and they are not getting promotion. This is one kind of frustration for the employee. And obviously, for this reason, and to promote or to transfer, every institution has a HR department. And another thing, you guys know that that is the thing, the annual credential report, ACR. After the evaluation of ACR, the institution gave a decision through the HR, that is for promotion or transfer. Well, another point is here, manpower planning. Manpower, obviously, it's another important issue. Every man has a potential and every man has some qualities. Either he is educated or not. But still, once again I mention here, every person has some qualities. They have knowledge, academic knowledge or not, but every person has quality. So which type of manpower you demand? There are different types of different categories. Employees are hired for an organization. It may be first class, second class, third class, or fourth class. So which type of manpower requires? There is some classification, and manpower will be recruited as per the classification. And next on, performance appraisal. Performance appraisal, obviously a good thing for exploring a knowledge. Like you guys, you students are here, more than 20, 30 students in a classroom, but everyone is not equal. Someone will secure GPA 3.5 and more than that, and some will drop out from here, and someone will get GPA only 2 out of 4. So this is the classification, this is the performance appraisal, this is the evaluation. What is your quality? What you have done? It's a contents in this context in classroom. But in the context of organization, some employer do play their role outstandingly and fabulously, fantastically, and they are being considered, they are acknowledged by the institution significantly a different way, and he will be given different facilities from the authority. So it will ensure through the job analysis. Counseling, I already told about the matter. Counseling is another factor. It's a motivation. The student of social work knows what do you mean by motivation. It's very much important, and there are many ways to motivate to secure their knowledge, actually to promote their, to explore their knowledge for achieving something. Every person has some potentiality. Every person has some potentiality, but they are not getting the platform. The social worker and job is, as a student of social work, a job analysis focusing the thing is here counseling, like somebody on whenever he is given the tremendous assignment for preparing, but he is mentally disturbed, physically disturbed, and familial hazardous barriers for not doing well, and then motivational counseling will promote, will give some information, and then you can do it. You have quality. Then just do practice whatever you are thinking, do it, and freedomly and fantastically you can do it, and you have knowledge and you have done it before. So why are you afraid about the matter? So it is a motivational speech or a motivational thing, that is counseling. And last but not least, labor relation. We all are labor. We are doing job under supervision of a employer, or we are doing job under a organization. So obviously, if the good relation in between employer and employee, that is a good relation, that is the relationship of labor relationship. And if there any anarchy is created, the behind the anarchy, labor unrest is the factor. If the labor unrest is occurred, the output of the institution is not outstandingly explored, and that is the thing. So these are the things we have discussed in the classroom today. Hopefully it will help for your betterment, for your uphold the education system. And today I am finishing by sharing knowledge to you, and see you again. Stay safe, stay home.